Ever wondered why your fingers wrinkle in water? Or how the shortest war in history lasted less than an hour? What if I told you that there's a species of jellyfish that is essentially immortal? Stick around because today, we're uncovering 10 mind-blowing facts that will make you question everything you thought you knew. From the bizarre to the extraordinary, get ready to have your mind blown. 1. Let's start with a common phenomenon: wrinkly fingers after a long bath. You might think it's just a quirky side effect, but there's more to it than meets the eye. This wrinkling is actually an evolutionary trait designed to improve grip in wet conditions. When your fingers are submerged, the skin's outer layer, called the epidermis, wrinkles up due to a process that's thought to enhance traction. Research indicates that our ancestors might have developed this trait to help with tasks like climbing wet surfaces or handling objects in the rain. Imagine nature giving you a built-in anti-slip feature. Next, let's dive into a historical tidbit that's truly astonishing. The Anglo-Zanzibar War, fought between the British Empire and the Sultanate of Zanzibar on August 27, 1896, lasted just 38 minutes. This conflict erupted when the Sultan refused to step down after the British demanded his resignation. The British, having vastly superior firepower, bombarded the Sultan's palace. After less than an hour, the Sultan's forces were defeated, and the war was over. The brevity of this war makes it one of the most fleeting but memorable military engagements ever recorded. It's a stark reminder of how quickly history can change. 3. Prepare to be amazed by the Octopus Blood, or immortal jellyfish. This unique species has the extraordinary ability to revert to its juvenile form after reaching maturity. When faced with adverse conditions or aging, the jellyfish can undergo a process called transdifferentiation. Essentially, it transforms its cells to revert to the polyp stage, which is the earliest stage of its life cycle. This incredible ability means the jellyfish can theoretically bypass death and start life anew, making it one of nature's most fascinating and resilient creatures. 4. Let's dive back into the ocean for another incredible fact. Octopuses have blue blood. Unlike humans, whose blood is red due to iron-based hemoglobin, octopuses use a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin to transport oxygen. Hemocyanin is more effective in cold, low-oxygen environments, making it ideal for the octopus's deep-sea habitats. The blue color comes from the copper in hemocyanin, which oxidizes and gives the blood its distinctive hue. This adaptation is just one of many that help these intelligent cephalopods thrive in their challenging underwater worlds. 5. Here's a sweet fact about honeybees: they can recognize human faces. Using a technique similar to our own facial recognition, honeybees can remember and distinguish between different human faces. Researchers have found that honeybees use a method called configural processing, where they remember the arrangement of facial features. They can even recognize faces in photographs, which is a remarkable example of how advanced their visual processing skills are. So, if a bee seems to be eyeing you up, it might just be trying to remember your face. 6. Here's a fascinating fact about our planet and our solar system. Russia is larger than Pluto. Russia spans approximately 17 million square kilometers, while Pluto's surface area is about 16.6 million square kilometers. This comparison helps put into perspective the vastness of our own planet compared to the dwarf planet at the edge of our solar system. It's an interesting way to visualize just how immense Earth really is, especially when considering the diversity of landscapes and environments found across Russia. 7. Now, let's explore a scientific paradox known as the Mpemba effect. Hot water can actually freeze faster than cold water under certain conditions. This counterintuitive phenomenon was first observed by a Tanzanian student named Mpemba. The exact reasons for the Mpemba effect are still debated, but some theories suggest that it may involve factors like evaporation rates, convection currents, or the formation of ice crystals. Regardless, it's a fascinating example of how nature can sometimes defy our expectations and challenge our understanding of the world. 8. Let's turn our attention to the majestic blue whale. The heartbeat of a blue whale is so powerful that it can be heard from over 2 miles away. Blue whales are the largest animals ever known to have existed, and their heart is about the size of a small car. The sound of their heartbeat can travel through the ocean's vast distances, highlighting not only their immense size but also the power of their biological systems. It's a reminder of how inspiring nature can be. 9. Here's a surprising fact about space travel. Astronauts can grow up to 2 inches taller while in space. This happens due to the microgravity environment, which allows the spine to stretch. In the absence of gravity's compressive force, the vertebrae in the spine can expand, leading to a temporary increase in height. Once astronauts return to Earth, their height usually normalizes. This phenomenon offers a unique insight into how our bodies adapt to different environments. 10. Finally, let's explore the game of Go. The number of possible board configurations in Go is estimated to be around 10,170, a number that vastly exceeds the estimated key atoms in the observable universe. This immense complexity highlights the depth and strategic possibilities within the game. Each move creates a new set of possibilities, making Go one of the most intricate and profound games ever devised. It's a testament to the boundless nature of strategic thinking and complexity. And that's a wrap on our list of mind-blowing facts. I hope you enjoyed these incredible tidbits as much as I did.